Many companies, when you come to them and say, okay, what's the difference between root cause and technical cause? They say to you, technical cause, hardware, software, root cause is human error in the environment. Maybe that's correct, I don't know, but we don't find that at all. So how do we do that? Well, remember that first one, incident restoration? What we need to do is, you can imagine if something has gone wrong 2 minutes ago. If I can train my help desk, or if I can train my project team member, or if I can train my major incident manager to quickly ask 3 or 4 questions in an is and a but not, just to ascertain what is happening now and what is not happening. That already is much better intelligence than just trying to quickly jump in there and see what I can do to actually get the situation corrected. Yes, that can be done within 5 minutes. Asking, what is the object you're having a problem with? What could be having a problem with but not? What is the fault we're having? What could be the fault but it's not? And the other 4 you have there, I normally just ask, what's the impact? Is it a geographic impact? Is it a user impact? Is it a company resources impact? What kind of impact are we experiencing? What could the impact have been but it's not? I got involved with a client last year in February. They were struggling for 3 weeks with a major incident situation, trying to resolve it, because they said that the problem is occurring globally. Now, you know what IT people do, and I know some of you are IT people, so I apologize up front, guys. When something happens like that, and you ask them a question, and they don't know the answer, they say, oh, it's all over. It's globally, it's random, it's happening all the time, because they cannot be wrong, can they? And that's not the kind of answer you want. That's not information. That's not even data, by the way. That's incorrect data. All right? So you really want to find out what it could have been, but it's not. Because you're forcing people to say to you, that little point there is the exact problem we're having. Nothing around that is an incident. And that normally gives a person an aha experience. Well, that is interesting. Okay? And then they say, why would that be? And normally just asking SME and they come up with the answer. More than 95% of the time in the company, someone in the company has got the answer. We always say, if a team couldn't solve a problem, the person with the information was not invited to the meeting. Let me repeat that. If a team couldn't solve a problem, doesn't matter whether it's finding a cause or whether it's finding a solution, the person with the information that you need was not invited. Okay?